Pop Mart has restocked Fall in Wild LABUBU. Can you make a guess? Which is the LABUBU or LAFUFU? On my right is the LAFUFU. Let's do a comparison between the LABUBU versus the LAFUFU. The font type for Pop Mart looks different. The word for monsters has thicker font for the authentic LABUBU. Take a closer look at the word, Fall in Wild. The dotted lines are different. LAFUFU has a bigger head. Different color for the word, Pop Mart. Scan the QR code. Suspicious URL for LAFUFU's QR code. Beware of counterfeit. LABUBU's background color is slightly darker than LAFUFU. Different details and layout at the back of the card. Take a look from the top. LAFUFU's metal ring is revealed while LABUBU's metal ring is hidden inside. Let's unbox the 100% authentic LABUBU Fall in Wild series. Let's count. There are 9 teeth. 6 flower petals. LABUBU's left foot is non-rotatable. But LABUBU's right foot is rotatable. I am disappointed with the inconsistent production standard. But overall this Fall in Wild LABUBU is still cute. Don't you agree? Let's unbox this fake LABUBU. Mena calls it LAFUFU. The bird symbol has different color tone. LABUBU has a tiny box attached to the cardboard while LAFUFU doesn't have. The blue background has different texture print. Let's check the design on the hat. The black border is thicker for the 100% authentic LABUBU. The sewing thread for LAFUFU has lighter color. Let's check the eyes. The position of the eyes are different. Let's count. Warning, both LABUBU and LAFUFU has 9 teeth. Beware of counterfeit. The hat string is neater for the authentic LABUBU. Let's count. The flower looks similar, but LAFUFU's flower stem has darker green. LABUBU looks similar. LAFUFU LAFUFU's feet are loose and rotates easily. Check LAFUFU's arms. LAFUFU's left arm is adjustable. But the right arm is defective. It bounced back to its original position. LAFUFU's left arm is adjustable. Now, let's compare it with the authentic LABUBU. Both the arms are adjustable. This authentic LABUBU has POP MART engraved onto the metal ring. This is the second generation production of LABUBU Fall in Wild. Maybe Gen 1 LABUBU don't have the engrave. If you have the first generation Fall in Wild LABUBU, do you have the POP MART engraved on the metal ring? Please leave in the comment. I love to hear from you. LAFUFU has a bigger head, in comparison with authentic LABUBU. Let's find out, if we can remove the outfit of this Fall in Wild LABUBU plush keychain. Now, let's remove the outfit for LAFUFU, the fake LABUBU. Can you spot the difference? Check the ears. LAFUFU has a bigger gap in between the ears. If you don't have an authentic LABUBU, it will be difficult to differentiate between fake and real LABUBU. Let's remove the outfit of the 100% authentic LABUBU. Please remember to smash the like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell, to be among the first to watch our video. Now, let's remove the outfit for LAFUFU, the fake LABUBU. The outfit looks similar, with very slight trimming difference. LAFUFU looks fatter than LABUBU. Gen 2 LABUBU has smaller label and QR code is on the label. LAFUFU's label is in blue. If you have Gen 1 Fall in Wild LABUBU, are the label in blue color? Leave in the comment below. I love to hear from you. Scan the QR code. The QR code is not working. Let's scan the QR code on the cardboard. Scratch to reveal the 16 digital code. Verify that the URL is authentic. Click anti-counterfeiting verification. Key in the unique 16 digital code. Verified as genuine by POP MART. Please remember to smash the like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell, to be among the first to watch our video. Beware of counterfeit. Till then, happy toy collecting.